This is ZTE Blade A53 Pro, and today I will show how you can check your data usage on this device. So first step is to launch settings. Then if you would like to find your Wi-Fi data usage, go for the Wi-Fi over here and open the Wi-Fi data usage page. On the other hand, if you would like to check the amount of cellular data you have used, you will need to go at the main settings menu for the mobile network instead of Wi-Fi, then open the mobile data page, and over here tap at the app data usage. You should have, the general amount of mobile data used is displayed right over here. But if you will have any data usage at all, unlike me, you will also have the app data usage section available, so tap on it and the page that contains all the statistics and information. Oh, actually I have the data usage on the SIM too. So here is the app data page or mobile data usage page. And well, that'll be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.